Alright, I just wanted to do a short video on these post-war Austrian mess kits. They're selling these at Swisslink.com for $20, and I just want to do a quick review on these mess kits. I got two of them, one for myself and one for another member of Viking Island. The main reason I'm making this video is just to talk a little bit the reason why I got these, and also what you have to be careful about when you're buying these mess kits online. Well, I just like the look of this one much better than I got before. I bought an post-war German one with those internal bulky hinges that look kind of awkward, but this Austrian one looks a lot similar to the original one, especially in regards to those hinges on the sides. But the main difference on this one you can see is there's no year stamping or any stamp or any kind of a stamp on the side. And on the German one there's a dent in the bottom for the lid hook that is not on these Austrian ones. And also the German one, the lid or the cap on the mess kit is a little bit taller than this Austrian one. And this one comes in three parts: the lid, the main pot, and the cup inside. But I believe the original ones came only in two parts, the main compartment and the top part, or the lid. So you just remove the internal cup and then you have a closer to original mess kit. And like on the original German ones, World War II, here are the stamps, and I will put in the description below what these stamps stand for. Unfortunately, I do not have an original one myself, but I found some measurements online regarding the height of an original one, that model 31, and it said the total length is 15 centimeters, and the height of the pot is 13.9 and the cover 4.4 centimeters. Well, for this I measured this one, and the pot is 13.9, same as original. The total height is 15.5, so 5 millimeters taller, and the lid or the cover is 5 centimeters even. So it's pretty close to original, but please correct me if I'm wrong, if you guys have the exact measurements of your original mess kits, if you have them. Just a warning for you guys who are looking for these mess kits, both original and post-war. I saw on eBay the other day a guy was selling a mess kit for, I don't remember, 50-60 bucks, and the stamping on the mess kit seems to have been scratched off and repainted. Benefit of the doubt, he may not have done it himself, that's why I'm not mentioning his name, but be careful of these mess kits that have been converted or changed in any way to look like the original ones. But these are what they are. They are post-war, very close to the original, and a good alternative for original one for your impression. And if you're looking for original items like the original mess kit, then IMA, USA.com, FJM44.com, and you can also go to auction sites like live auctioneers that sometimes have excellent original items. Then finally I took them outside just to get a better feel for the true color of these mess kits. Well, that's it for now. I hope this may have helped you on your search for your mess kits. And as always, thank you for watching, and take care.